On number 1 through 3 of the study guide, you're being asked to graph the quadratic, and they're in vertex form. So the first thing you want to do is find the vertex. So for number 1, remember the h is opposite of what it looks like. So number 1, the vertex is -4, -3. So I go left 4, down 1, 2, 3. Now this is going to be hard for me to graph on the iPad, so bear with me. If you want to see the graph, you can always do it on Desmos. Now I'm noticing the A here. A on number 1 is a -1, so I should expect that to go upside down. So if I plug in a couple numbers near my vertex at -4, if I plug in -3 and -2, I can calculate those points and try to plot them with this fat pin. So if I plug in -3, here's what that looks like. It looks like -3 plus 4 squared minus 3, right? That's this equation I'm plugging into. So what we do when we do this, we need to do inside the parentheses first. So that's 1. Then we do the squaring. 1 squared is 1. And then we do any adding and subtracting. So we get -4. Okay. If we plug in -2, similarly we get, let me do it up here, -2 plus 4 squared minus 3. So we do inside the parentheses first, so that's a +2 squared minus 3. Then we square next, that's 4, and that's -7. So we go left 2 and down 7. And then this is going to be symmetrical, so we can make similar dots on the other side of the axis of symmetry. So that's what your graph should look like for number 1. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 is 1/2 x plus 3 quantity squared. So my vertex is going to be at -3. There is no k, so k is 0. That means for the vertex, we move left 3, and the vertex is on the x-axis. So we plug in a couple numbers near -3, and we plug it into the equation, and we do what's in the parentheses first. So -2 plus 3 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. And we plug in -1. So we do -1 plus 3 is 2. Next we do the squaring. That's 4. 2 squared is 4. So 1/2 times 4 is +2. So this graph is going to be, we'll go left 2 and up 1/2. So just eyeball like where 1/2 would be. And then left 1 up 2. So it isn't coming out that great because I'm trying to do it on the iPad. So this one comes out wider because A is 1/2. And number 3. Number 3, what color should we use, people? How about a nice blue? Yes. Okay, number 3, the vertex is at 0, 1. 0, 1. That's just up 1. On this one, h is 0. There's no right or left shift. It's just moving up 1. And I can tell by the a being 3 that it's going to be skinny, and it's going to go upwards like that. So I'm going to plug in a number near 0, like 1 and 2. If I plug in 1 there, I get 4. If I plug in 2 there, got to square the 2 first. That's going to be 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. That's going to go off my graph. So 1 would be up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 would be up here somewhere. On the other side, we'd have that and something like that. So we can sketch our graph like that.